Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the ElevenLabs watermark from your generated audio step by step. If you're using the free plan and want clean audio without the watermark, I'll explain the correct way to do it. Let's get started. ElevenLabs adds a watermark to audio generated on its free plan. This watermark helps identify that the audio was created using their AI tools. To remove it, you need to upgrade or generate audio using a plan that allows watermark-free downloads. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Log in to your ElevenLabs account. Go to the ElevenLabs website. Sign in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Step 2. Check your current plan. Click on your profile icon or account settings. Look for the subscription or billing section. If you're on the free plan, your generated audio may include a watermark. Step 3. Upgrade your plan. To remove the watermark, you need to upgrade to a paid plan. Click Upgrade or View Plans. Choose a plan that supports watermark-free audio generation. Complete the payment process. Step 4. Generate the audio again. After upgrading, go back to the text-to-speech editor. Paste your script again and generate the audio. Now download the file. The new audio will not contain the ElevenLabs watermark. Step 5. Download high-quality audio. Click the Download button next to the generated audio. Save it to your device. Your audio file should now be clean and ready for use in videos, podcasts, or other projects. Important tip: audio generated earlier on the free plan may still contain the watermark. You may need to regenerate the audio after upgrading. And that's it. That's how you remove the ElevenLabs watermark from your audio step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical AI tool tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.